Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Cleanser is probably one of the most talked about cleansers in the beauty world, and for good reason. Its ultra-gentle formula is designed to effectively cleanse without stripping the skin of its natural oils, leaving your face feeling refreshed, clean, and hydrated. Today, we will deep dive into this holy grail cleanser to see if it lives up to the hype and if it's the right fit for your skin type and concerns. Number 5. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair. This daily moisturizer tackles 3 key signs of aging: wrinkles, uneven tone, and firmness. It's your secret weapon for younger-looking skin. See a visible difference in just 4 weeks. It smooths wrinkles, evens skin tone, and firms your skin for a more youthful appearance. This cream contains hexanol technology to boost skin's natural ability to repair itself, and vitamin C to fade dark spots. It also protects your skin from sun damage with SPF 25 sunscreen. Daily use helps prevent premature aging. Incorporate it into your daily routine for a simple yet effective way to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. Apply every morning after cleansing. We're not about stopping aging, we're about fighting wrinkles and revealing your most radiant skin. Experience the Neutrogena difference. What we like. It combats wrinkles and uneven skin tone while protecting from sun damage. If you're looking for a daily moisturizer that addresses multiple aging concerns, this is it. Its added SPF 25 and moisturizing properties make it perfect for daily use. What people say. It is not heavy, not greasy, and absorbs quickly. It moisturizes perfectly and absorbs well without leaving a sticky or greasy feeling on his skin. It has a rich and creamy texture that feels luxurious on the skin. It glides on smoothly and is quickly absorbed, leaving her skin feeling hydrated and soft. Number 4. Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Cleanser. This cleanser is specially designed for sensitive skin. It gently cleanses without overdrying, leaving your skin feeling soft and moisturized. It washes away excess oil, dirt, and makeup. It's also suitable for skin prone to acne, eczema, or rosacea. Developed by dermatologists, it's hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. This means it's gentle and won't clog pores. It's clinically proven to be gentle on sensitive skin. It's free of dyes, soap, fragrances, parabens, and essential oils. It features a unique skin-nourishing formula. It's ideal for sensitive and dry skin, making it a perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. It leaves skin feeling soft, moisturized, and naturally healthy. Try it today and see the difference it makes. What we like. It's a gentle, hydrating cleanser perfect for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin and want a non-drying, non-foaming cleanser, this is your best bet. It leaves skin feeling soft and moisturized without irritation. What people say. It was strange at first because I have never used a soap that didn't foam up. It takes some getting used to. It also doesn't have a light feeling to it. It's on the heavier side and a little goes a very long way. It's very, very gentle and I will use a face brush to exfoliate a couple times a week for a deeper clean. This is non-foaming as described, and is gentle on my face. Would recommend for sensitive skin. Number 3. Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Cleanser. This cleanser is specially designed for sensitive skin. It's gentle enough for daily use and effectively removes makeup and impurities. Developed with dermatologists, it cleanses without disrupting your skin's natural moisture barrier. It leaves your skin feeling clean and soft, not stripped or dry. It washes away excess oil and dirt, removing makeup without overdrying. It's a hydrating cleanser that leaves your skin feeling comfortable. It's free of fragrances, soaps, and dyes, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. It won't clog your pores, leaving your skin clear and healthy. Simply wet your face, pump some into your hand, lather, massage gently, and rinse. It's a perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. Experience the difference of a gentle, effective cleanser that respects your skin's delicate balance. It's the perfect choice for healthy, radiant skin. What we like. This cleanser effectively removes makeup while being gentle on sensitive skin. If you need a foaming cleanser that's both effective and gentle, look no further. It's perfect for a thorough yet gentle cleanse. What people say. The formula is fragrance-free and free of harsh chemicals, which is ideal for my skin, as I tend to break out from fragrances and strong ingredients. The texture is smooth and silky, and it lathers up just enough to provide a thorough clean without feeling too harsh. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping my skin or leaving it feeling tight. It's a very nice hypoallergenic, gentle, moisturizing and very effective cleanser. Doesn't dry out the skin and is without any smell, perfect for sensitive skin. Also, a small quantity is needed to wash the face. This is my go-to face wash. Cleanses away all of my makeup and it's gentle on my face. No irritation. Number 2. Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Cleanser. This cleanser is specially designed for acne-prone and sensitive skin. It's gentle enough for everyday use, yet effective at removing dirt and oil. It's uniquely formulated with minimal ingredients and provitamin B5 to leave your skin feeling clean and hydrated, not tight or dry. It's effective for cleansing before and after wearing a mask, removing any trapped dirt and oil. Developed with dermatologists, it's suitable for even the most sensitive skin types, including those prone to acne or eczema. It's fragrance-free, soap-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and hypoallergenic, ensuring it's gentle on your skin and won't clog pores. Unlike other cleansers, it rinses completely clean, leaving no residue behind. It's also gentle enough to use with acne treatments. What we like. It's specially formulated for acne-prone skin, providing hydration without clogging pores. If you have acne-prone skin and need a gentle, hydrating cleanser, this is the one. It's gentle enough for daily use, even with other acne treatments. What people say. Non-drying and perfect for a daily face wash. No fragrance, and very mild. The pump cuts time for in my morning routine and the product makes my skin feel and look great. It has a refreshing feel, it does not have a sticky or oily feel that other lotions have. Once it soaks in I cannot feel it at all but I can see the results. Works great and helps repair previously damaged skin. Number 1. Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Cleanser. This cleanser is specifically designed for sensitive skin. It's gentle enough for everyday use, yet effective at removing dirt and makeup. It effectively cleanses your skin without stripping away its natural moisture barrier. Your skin will feel soft and clean after each use. This foaming cleanser thoroughly removes excess oil, dirt, and makeup. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Recommended by dermatologists, it's perfect for sensitive skin and various skin conditions. It's free of harsh ingredients like allergens and irritating essential oils. It's oil-free, soap-free, hypoallergenic, and non-comedogenic, ensuring it's gentle on even the most sensitive skin. Clinically proven to be gentle. Unlike other cleansers, it rinses completely clean, leaving no residue behind. Experience the superior cleansing power of Neutrogena, with maximum gentleness. What we like. It's a gentle yet effective cleanser that protects your skin's natural moisture barrier. If you value a simple, effective cleanse without harsh chemicals, this is a great choice. It's perfect for everyday use on sensitive skin. What people say. This is the perfect facial cleanser, light, not gritty nor sticky as it dries. Makes the skin feel smooth and soft. I have sensitive skin and this works great as a cleanser and moisturizer. It has a mild but pleasant fragrance and despite this it does not irritate the eyes. In fact, the formula is gentle enough to remove all makeup including the heaviest of eye makeup, mascara, smoky eyeshadow, liquid liner, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.